Linking your bank account to Circle.so can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your experience on the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into Circle.so. Start by logging into your Circle.so account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account you want to link. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Within the Payment Methods section, find the option to Add New Bank Account. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, you may need to verify the account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Circle.so into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Circle.so. This will allow for easy transactions and management of your finances on the platform.